How to uninstall system apps on Android without root. Works on any device. Want to uninstall system apps on Android without a root? I tested 3 safe methods in 2025, and here's how you can remove bloat on any device. So system apps are pre-installed by manufacturers and carriers. Normally, they can't be uninstalled like regular apps, but in 2025, there are some safe workarounds that work across devices. So first would be through disabling it on settings. So open settings on your device, and then once you're on settings, head over into the apps tab, and then on the apps tab, go ahead and click on all apps, and then select a system app that you want to disable, and then click on disable. This removes the app from your launcher and stops it from running in the background. Second would be through hidden app management. So some phones like Xiaomi MIUI or Oppo ColorOS include hidden app management. In settings, head over to apps and then click on manage apps, and you can uninstall updates or disable certain system apps without root. Third would be through the Bloatware app. So apps like Universal Android, the Bloatware mobile now run directly on your phone. No PC needed. Install, grant permission, and select the system apps you want to remove. Stick to safe apps like Cleaner, Browser, or Trial software. Take note, don't remove core apps like Settings, Phone, or System UI, since removing those can break your device. So focus only on extra like preloaded social apps or trial software. Now you know how to uninstall system apps on Android without root. Works on any device. Do you disable or fully remove yours? Drop your experience in the comments.